Think Like a Billionaire, Become a Billionaire. As a Man Thinks, So Is He by Scott Anderson. Key takeaways. Number 1. Think like a billionaire to become one. As a man thinks, so is he. Mindset is everything. The key difference between the wealthy and the average person is how they think about money, investing, jobs, risks, wisdom, time, and problems. Billionaires see money as a tool for investment, not just for buying things. They view investing as a priority for building abundance, not just for retirement. They consider jobs as a means to get money to invest, not as the path to wealth itself. Embrace billionaire thinking. See money as seed to be sown, not just spent. Prioritize investing over immediate gratification. View your job as a tool to fund investments, not the end goal. Seek wisdom constantly through books, courses, and mentors. Value time as your most precious resource. By adopting these thought patterns, you align yourself with the mindset that creates wealth. Remember, where you are today results from your past thoughts. Your future depends on how you think today. Number 2, change your core beliefs about money and wealth. God wants you to be wealthy. Challenge limiting beliefs. Many people, especially Christians, hold subconscious beliefs that wealth is evil or that poverty is more spiritual. These core beliefs act as resistant forces to prosperity. To overcome them, you must actively replace them with empowering beliefs aligned with God's desire for your abundance. Steps to change core beliefs. Identify limiting beliefs about money and success. Study scriptures that support God's desire for your prosperity. Regularly confess and meditate on these truths. Surround yourself with people who have healthy money mindsets. Take actions that reinforce new beliefs about wealth. Remember, God takes pleasure in the prosperity of His servants. By aligning your beliefs with this truth, you remove internal obstacles to wealth and open yourself to the abundance God intends for you. Number 3, develop a clear vision and commitment. Where there is no revelation, the people cast off restraint. Vision brings focus. A clear, compelling vision for your financial future is essential for success. It provides direction, motivation, and the self-control necessary to make wise financial decisions. Without vision, people lack the restraint needed to delay gratification and invest for the future. Creating a powerful vision. Write down specific financial goals with deadlines. Visualize your desired lifestyle and impact. Create a vision board with images representing your goals. Review and refine your vision regularly. Make a strong commitment to your vision. Couple your vision with unwavering commitment. Write down your commitments, review them often, and take consistent action towards your goals. Remember, vision without action is merely a dream. Number 4, seek wisdom and prepare for opportunities. When he had stopped speaking, he said to Simon, "Launch out into the deep and let down your nets for a catch." Continuous learning is crucial. Billionaires prepare for tomorrow's opportunities today by constantly seeking wisdom and understanding. They invest significant time in reading, studying, and learning about business, investing, and personal development. This preparation allows them to recognize and seize opportunities that others miss. Strategies for gaining wisdom. Read at least one book per week on business or personal growth. Listen to educational audiobooks or podcasts during commutes. Attend seminars and workshops in your field of interest. Seek mentors and learn from their experiences. Apply what you learn immediately in small ways. By consistently seeking wisdom, you position yourself to recognize and capitalize on opportunities when they arise. Remember, success comes when preparation meets opportunity. Number 5, take calculated risks and learn from failures. You fail if you don't take a risk. Embrace intelligent risk-taking. Billionaires understand that calculated risks are necessary for significant rewards. They're not reckless, but they're willing to step out of their comfort zone and try new things. More importantly, they view failures as learning experiences, not final verdicts. Approach to risk and failure. Start small and learn from each experience. Analyze potential risks and rewards before taking action. View failures as valuable feedback, not personal shortcomings. Learn and adjust your approach after each setback. Understand that multiple failures often precede major successes. Remember, the person who never fails is the one who never tries. By taking intelligent risks and learning from your failures, you increase your chances of eventual success. Number 6. Leverage good debt and build excellent credit. The wealthy realize that there is good debt and bad debt. Use debt strategically. Contrary to popular belief, not all debt is bad. Billionaires understand the difference between good debt, that which helps you acquire income-producing assets, and bad debt, that which decreases your net worth. They use good debt as leverage to accelerate their wealth building. Strategies for leveraging good debt. Invest in income-producing real estate using mortgages. Use business loans to fund profitable ventures. Maintain an excellent credit score, 700 plus, for better loan terms. Always ensure the return on investment exceeds the cost of borrowing. Avoid consumer debt for depreciating assets. Building and maintaining excellent credit is crucial for accessing good debt. Pay bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and regularly monitor your credit report. Remember, your credit score can be the difference between making millions or spending millions over your lifetime. Number 7. Solve problems and raise your adversity quotient. God says, "Be faithful in the little, and you will become ruler over much." Embrace challenges. Successful people are problem solvers. They view obstacles as opportunities to grow and improve. By developing a high adversity quotient, AQ, you become more resilient and better equipped to handle life's challenges, leading to greater success. Ways to improve your problem-solving skills. Face problems head-on instead of avoiding them. Break down large problems into smaller, manageable steps. Seek multiple perspectives and potential solutions. Learn from each problem you encounter. Celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, the more problems you solve, the more valuable you become. Start with small challenges and gradually take on bigger ones. As you prove faithful with little, you'll be entrusted with much more. Number 8. Guard your time as your most valuable asset. Time is the only limited resource we have. Protect your time fiercely. Billionaires understand that time is their most precious resource. Unlike money or possessions, time cannot be replaced once it's gone. They guard their time zealously and invest it wisely in activities that move them closer to their goals. Strategies for maximizing your time. Eliminate or delegate low-value activities. Use time blocking to schedule important tasks. Invest in time-saving tools and technologies. Learn to say no to time-wasting activities or people. Continuously evaluate how you spend your time and optimize birthing. Remember, how you spend your time today determines your future tomorrow. Treat every hour as an investment that should yield returns, whether in personal growth, relationships, or financial gain. Number 9. Work with excellence and continual improvement. If you give excellence when excellence isn't needed, life has a way of giving you excellent opportunities. Strive for excellence in all areas. Successful people don't just do the minimum required, they consistently go above and beyond. This attitude of excellence sets them apart and attracts better opportunities, higher pay, and more significant responsibilities. Ways to cultivate excellence. Set high personal standards in everything you do. Continuously seek ways to improve your skills and knowledge. Take pride in your work, regardless of the task. Be proactive in solving problems and adding value. Seek feedback and act on it to improve. Remember, your work ethic and attitude are within your control. By consistently delivering excellence, You create a reputation that opens doors to greater opportunities and success. Number 10. Attract money through favor, not chase it. I decided at a very young age to become someone that attracted money. I want money to chase me. Focus on becoming attractive to wealth. Instead of chasing money, focus on becoming the kind of person that naturally attracts wealth and opportunities. This involves developing your character, skills, and reputation in ways that make you valuable to others and the marketplace. Ways to attract wealth. Develop in-demand skills and expertise. Build a strong network of relationships. Consistently add value to others. Maintain a positive, solution-oriented mindset. Live with integrity and keep your commitments. Remember, wealth is often a byproduct of becoming a person of value. By focusing on personal growth and service to others, you create an environment where money and opportunities naturally flow towards you.